Namaste. My name is Desi Bartlett, and I wanted to offer you just a really quick way to drop into your body. We spend so much time in our heads and in our emotions. It's a good thing to close your eyes, bring the hands to the heart, and feel yourself completely present. Feel your sit bones pressing down so that there's a sense of grounding as you are supported by the earth beneath you. Let's inhale and reach the arms all the way up to the sky. Fill your body with breath and light. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart center. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale. So this is a simple practice that I like to enjoy in the middle of the day, usually right around 1 or 2. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, which is typically after I've been on the computer for a little while. Let's take one hand or the elbow to the floor, see what feels best. Press the opposite hip down and really enjoy that stretch through the side of your body. This is an area that doesn't get a lot of attention. Let's take it up and over to the other side. So it's good to sort of land into it, drop into it, into your body, into your breath, into the stretch. And bring it back to the center. Bring your hands to either side of you and walk them about 12 inches behind you. I'll turn so you can see. And roll your shoulder blades down, back, and together as you gaze up. You might want to close your eyes and just feel the heart gazing up to the sky. It's like the chest wants to open, the collarbones want to create space. And then we'll conclude with the hands or elbows on the floor in front of you, touching your forehead down to your hands or to the earth. And then easily coming up. You can bring your hands to your heart if you wish. Good. So remember that our bodies are designed to move in every direction. We move to the front, that takes us into our bodies, into our breath. We move to the back. When we're in a back bend, it lifts our hearts, it lifts our energy, and you just feel a little more awake. And when we move to the side, it helps with all of the muscles that are responsible for rotation and also respiration, breathing. So this is a simple, quick practice that you can enjoy every day. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is simply my name, Desi Bartlett. Namaste.